Hi everybody, Greg Davis with MarineMax here in Savannah. I want to give you a quick walkthrough of a 2018 Yamaha 190 Fish Sport that I am bringing in for brokerage sale. Really good shape, blue color, lots of options on it, a Garmin 9-inch screen, spreader lights, thrust vectors installed, C-deck on the back. This is the year that they added the seats that flip-flop up and down. Here's a shot of the dash with the 9-inch Garmin, Jensen stereo. Great storage up front. There's a cushion for up front. Yamaha, they have a storage under the console that you can actually put a porta potty in. Again, this boat's in great shape. If you have any questions about this boat or any boat here at MarineMax in Savannah, feel free to give us a call, 912-897-9881. Thank you.